Okay, there we go. Connect. Voila. Haha. Let's see. Hold on. Let me see. Use while using the app. Yes, I want to do that. And then I want my watch to be findable. Send me notifications. Sure. Why not? All right. So this is getting started. Update, of course. Update. Sure. Why not? Why not? All right, here we go. Right here. Now we're going to set this up. Continue. Yes, everything is correct. Yes, I don't mind you connecting to my Bluetooth. Sure, why not? Now it's downloading the software. It says 100 already. Damn, this thing is fast. You want to manage my watch? My watch wants to manage my watch. Look at this. It says allow Galaxy Watch 6 manager to access your watch. Well, of course. You're the manager. Send me notifications? Sure, why not? All this? Sure, I agree. Get automatic updates. Yes, sir. And now it's getting the watch ready. So we're going to let this load up and then we'll be back. Let's take a little break. Hold on. I'll be right back. All right, you guys. So I'm still setting it up. So I'm going to test this out. And the reason I want to point this out because I had issues with the Apple Watch in this regard. I am forced, or I was forced to wear my Apple Watch Ultra or any Apple Watch on my right wrist because I have tattoos on my left wrist on the bottom and top. For some reason, the Apple Watch sensors cannot read through my tattoos. So whenever I'm doing a workout, it just stops the workout, or it says wrist not detected, or it'll lock my phone because it thinks it's off of my wrist because for some reason tattoos interfere with their sensors. So in regards to this, I'm going to try to set this up for my left wrist because that's where I would normally wear my watch. I just got so accustomed to wearing it on my right wrist because of the issue that I had with the Apple Watch. So we're going to try to go back to the left wrist. So I'm going to set this preference to left wrist and the buttons are going to be on the right, or should I put them on the left? I'm going to put them on the left. So the buttons are going to be on the left. So essentially it's going to, yes, be like this. So this is good for me. Always on display. Yeah, that's fine. I can deal with that. I can deal with that. Get help in an emergency. Sure, why not? Track your daily activity. Sure, why not? Understand your sleep for better rest. Sure, I don't wear my watch when I'm asleep, but that'll be nice. Get heart rate guidance while you're running. I probably won't pay attention to that, but sure. Take your running to the next level with advanced I don't like running. Like I run because I have to, but I don't like it. So I won't need those advanced metrics, but it'd be cool to see, I guess. Get notified when an irregular heart rhythm is detected. I kind of don't want that because I don't want this thing to be like freaking out on me. So this shouldn't take long. I don't think it's going to take long, but anyways, we're going to be right back. I'm going to let this set up. All right, so as you see, it says we're all set. So let me change the bands accordingly to the orientation that I had it. And then we're going to give this thing a spin really quick.